Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a bridal makeup for elongated face, and I really like how it turned out because it was very elaborated but yet super easy to do. So I'm going to start off by applying some color corrector, and this one it's in a little bit of like a peach shade, and it's important that you guys apply like a dark or orange shade in your under eye area because that is going to create a nice effect and it's going to cover our dark circles perfect. Even though I don't think I have like dark circles, I still think that for this bridal makeup it's super important that your skin is very pretty and flawless. So I just pretty much just covered the spots that I had like under my eyes, and also then afterwards I moved in to conceal my redness in my nose area, and I use a green concealer because that creates a very good effect. Then afterwards I just moved in to blend everything very well with my sponge, and in this case my sponge wasn't damped, but I still think it did a wonderful job blending everything together.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Okay guys, so now time for foundation. I'm using this one in the shade 02 Porcelain, and I feel like this foundation matches my skin tone perfectly. It is a nice effect, and it is a little bit like high coverage, medium to high coverage. It's most of the foundations I use because they do tend to look like very skin type and etc. It's not super cakey, so that's very important that you guys also look up to.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Okay, so now I am going to do a little bit of contour, cream contour to be specific, and I used this shade right here in the hollows of my cheekbones, and then I took this foundation brush and I blended everything upwards, and I also applied a little bit in my temple area because that is going to create a nice illusion of a more like smaller forehead. If you have a small forehead, you need to highlight more, and that is the key here, to kind of like know the shape of your face and which places you need to highlight and contour.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Okay, so here I'm doing a little bit of nose contour, and I'm not really good at it, but I still think it works perfect if you're trying out and kind of like getting to know which places you need to contour and whatnot. I'm not good at it, but I still try it, and I still think it came out nice. Remember that the key here is to blend everything. We don't want our contour to look harsh because that is going to look very fake and like unnatural. So make sure you guys blend.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
taking my setting powder and I'm just going to set my whole entire face using some powder brush, because we do want our makeup to last a whole entire day and prevent it from creasing. That is a main important steps that you need to take. So anyways, this is pretty much what you guys see me doing here, blending and blending and blending.
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Okay, so now moving on to eyeshadow. I'm taking this e.l.f. primer and this is going to be my base for the eyeshadow. And I decided to go with all shimmer shades because I did want it to create like a very light and airy effect in my eyes. I didn't want my eyes to be kind of like the focus of this look. I wanted my skin to look flawless and kind of like just my eyes were like another, you know, complement to it. And yeah, I really like how it turned out because it's very different from what other looks I do. I usually don't go for shimmery shades or just anything like that. I'm usually more of like a matte girl, you know, but I decided to go with this and I think it turned out great. I did a combination of like a silver shade and also like a gold shade, and I did some kind of like a matte shade in the crease area, and this is pretty much what you guys see me doing here. I'm just blending like a dark brown shade in my crease area, and I'm kind of moving forward to the inner corner a little bit, and I'm just blending everything very well in the crease area because that is going to be our transition shade and it's what it's going to stand out when we apply our shimmery shades. And then afterwards I moved in to work with this palette. Like I said, this is a silver shade from the Maybelline. It's kind of like an old palette, I forgot the name of it, but I still have it in my collection, and why not use it? I mean, it does have very pretty shimmer shades, and I feel like for this type of like events, it's very cool that you guys use like a very light makeup and it doesn't go like too harsh with it.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the highways, and on we'll and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Okay, so then afterwards I just applied mascara, and that is pretty much the final result for the eyes. Now I moved in to apply this lipstick, and this one is it's NYX Paris, I think it is. I don't know, I forgot the shade of it, but I think it is Paris. And this one is kind of like a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't really dry to anything. It just stays like a kind of like a lip gloss lipstick type of thing. It's not one of my favorites because it is kind of like sticky, but I still think it works wonderful with this look because we do want our lips to stand out and kind of be the focus of this look with our face makeup. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and can comment down below if you have any suggestions, and keep on watching these videos and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. Bye bye and take care.
And love is all we'll ever try.